Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Mavis Moses and you can call me Flawsome. Well, this is my very first video on this channel and I'm just going to be sharing what the whole channel will be about. It's going to be a whole lot, trust me, because I am a whole lot. It's going to be basically lifestyle, skincare hacks, skincare products, reviews, DIYs, business, and so much more. You definitely don't want to miss all of these. So if you want to keep seeing this face on this space, that sounded so nice. Please do well to subscribe, like, comment, turn on your notification bell so that once a video is dropped, you'll be the first to see. And share the link also. Share the link to friends, family, loved ones, and then I'll see you in my next video. For now, bye, and I love you.